Hey there, fellow dog lovers. Today, we're diving into a question that's on the minds of many pet owners. How often should you check your dog for ticks? Ticks may be tiny, but they can pose a big threat to your furry best friend. In this friendly chat, we'll explore the importance of tick checks and find out just how often you should be giving your pup a thorough inspection. Today's video is all about the ticks, but before we start the video, as usually our channel intro begins. Ticks are more than just creepy crawly critters. They can actually transmit some pretty nasty diseases to your dog. Diseases like Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and ehrlichiosis can wreak havoc on your pet's health if left untreated. That's why it's crucial to keep an eye out for these tiny terrors. Early detection is key to keeping your dog safe from tick-borne diseases. These little buggers can be tricky to spot, especially in your dog's fur. The longer a tick stays attached, the higher the risk of disease transmission. So, let's talk about how often you should be on tick patrol. The frequency of tick checks depends on a few factors. First up, where do you live? If you're in a tick-prone area, you'll need to be extra vigilant. Next, consider your dog's outdoor activities. Do they love romping around in the woods or rolling in tall grass? If so, they're at a higher risk of tick exposure. Also, keep an eye on the season. Ticks are most active in warmer months, so you'll want to up your tick check game in the spring and summer. And don't forget about the types of ticks in your region. Some ticks are more common in certain areas, so be aware of what you're dealing with. Here's a general guideline to get you started. If you're in a high-risk area or it's the peak tick season, aim for a daily tick check. In moderate risk areas or during tick-prone months, every few days should do the trick. And if you're in a low-risk area or it's the colder season, a weekly tick check should suffice. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to perform a thorough tick check. It's like giving your pup a little spa treatment. First, find a well-lit area so you can see clearly. Use your hands to run over your dog's body, feeling for any unusual bumps or lumps. Don't forget to check those ears and paw pads, ticks love hiding there. Lift the collar and inspect the neck region, and take a peek at the tail and genital area as well. Ticks can be sneaky. If your dog has long fur, a tick comb with fine teeth can be a real help in finding those little freeloaders. And if you do spot a tick, don't panic. Use fine-tipped tweezers to grasp it as close to the skin as possible. Gently but firmly pull upward to remove it. Remember, you want to get the whole tick, head and all. In conclusion, your dog's health is your top priority, and that includes protecting them from tick-borne diseases. By understanding the threat that ticks pose and knowing how often to check your furry friend, you can ensure they lead a healthy and happy life. So, to answer the burning question, how often should you check your dog for ticks? Make it a routine part of your pet care. Alongside tick collars and preventative medications, regular tick checks will keep your dog tick-free and tail wagging for years to come. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more pet-related tips, and don't forget to share this with your fellow dog-loving friends. Keep those pups safe and tick-free.
What is it? You like it. Of course you would like it. He likes it. Do you want more? Oh, yeah.